Wonder how we get that off the underlay. Oh no. So all the wiring's out of the boot now, back seat's off. So now we're going to work through the carpet, the console, and then go all the way through to the dash, get the dash out of the car. First start with that screw in there and all that mess, and then everything else should sort of just get rid of that. Anyway, we'll see how we go. We'll start with getting that off. More coins stuck in here preventing this thing coming out. It's like a $2 coin. Coins stuck in here, can't get this damn thing out. And this thing here lifts out. That'll clean up nice. Undo the plug, and then it should lift over that. That's from a Beamer, forget that. 10 cents, it's about 2 grand in 5-cent coins in this car. Chubby told us you got to take off this here, lift that out with a little screwdriver. Apparently, this little vent here. Ready? Flathead on the bottom. No, didn't break it. It's a little clip with a little rubber thing. He was exactly right. Yeah, have a ciggy, brah. Yeah. Oi, it gives me lighter. Nah, you can't have it. Oh, mad cassette radio. I'm going to clean that up, leave it in. This is kind of cool. This is the original trim. That's that trim insulation. That's probably worth 5 grand. No, probably not. Who knows? It's just rubbish, but we'll keep it anyway. This is where you fit the drop box. In here, you drill through all those pop rivets there, and you place the new one in, and then that's when you can fit in the B&M shifter in the bottom of that, or whatever shifter, and then you can, you know, obviously do all the ratchety type slam back to first stuff. Mad. Chubb said you got to take this glove box out, so that's cool. Holden Service Parts Operations. Trailer wiring harness. Nice. Anyway, glove box is going to come out. Look at how he said somehow you slide it across. Oh, Chubb said there was like a screw down there, but I can't seem to see a screw. So I took this top vent out, and that's now showing the screws that are up here. Oh, that's the wrong way. Hopefully, this whole vent, oh, look at that, eh? Pulls out. Look at that. Nice. 2 screws up in there, take the top vent out. Sick. Oh yeah, I can see where the dash screw is. There it is, right there. Right there. Oh, there we go. I've played some beats, those things. Look at them, full of dust, yuck. And there's the bolt there for the dash. Mad. I'd imagine there's another. The screw now, we've undone that vent there. There's another screw there. I'm under the dash upside down. Another screw over there holding this thing on, which is this bottom thing. This needs to come off. Other screw there. You can hardly see this. Anyway, we're going to get all this under dash stuff taken off. Too bloody hard to show everything under it. Oh, back's aching. So there's an aircon thing just there. You got to undo that 19mm that goes through the firewall, and then there's all the rest of this aircon stuff here. The aircon's making this a bit more difficult than normal to get out, which is a pain, but that's how it goes. This dash is a pain in the If you've probably done it before, it's probably mad easy. For me, it's mad stressful. Far out. Got to unscrew this part now. Alright, sick. This part's out. 200,000 Ks, eh? Yeah. Dash pad's out because we're going to have to get access to this because it's rusty. Didn't show it because it just gets crazy. There's a lot of screws there and in the front of the thing and the back here and there and million, thousand screws. Hopefully they all go back in the same spots. Undone some wiring under here. Steering column obviously. So yeah, got to undo these bolts here. Check out this, got the accelerator here. There's some weird thing up here that when you press the throttle, so there's the thing there that pulls the cable, and then it hits like another point. Must be some electronic thing, and the last little bit of the throttle, I don't know what it does. Who knows? We'll find out. Radio comes out easy. Little screws on there. Little screws on there. And you just unscrew it out. Hopefully that'll be one of the last. Give us some more ways to get this rest of this dash piece out. This is the biggest headache in the world ever. But anyway, we're getting there slowly. Just pulled these bits up out of the back of the dash there. This bit too. Sort of slotted out from behind there. It's revealed this little flap. It's got like some mad old crunchy foam on it. I don't know what that stuff is, but anyway, yuck. Imagining putting all this dash back together is doing my head in right now. It's like just going. All those vacuum lines in there. Them ones there, gonna figure out have to figure out where they're all gonna go back on. That's gonna be fun. I've tried to label a few of these when this wiring harness comes out. To be able to tell what's what, because this is a mess. Wow.
What are you gonna have to do?
What do you know? We finally got this dash out. Take it through there, Dad. Taking the drop box off. There we go. Steering column wires.
White one on the bottom,
Yeah.
grey one on the top,
Yeah.
that one,
Yeah.
and the rest are locking ones. You don't,
Okay.
don't need to know what they are.
What a spaghetti mess, eh? Steering wheel's off now too. It's pretty blank, as you can see. All little hoses. I put a tape on lots of stuff so I know, like, you know, like this, like done stuff like that, so I know where it goes after it's done. Or bring someone over that I know is a bit of an expert in this stuff to help me put it back, dash back in all smick, because it's going to take probably a full day, man, probably, to put it all back in properly. Anyway, let's clear it all out and get it out and done. Taking all the roof lining out, the light now. Get out of there, you thing. There we go. The roof lining thing and all the roof line is coming out, so that'll be all out of the car. Let me show you this. The dash is pretty much out. There's a bit of wiring now and some foot pedals, and that's it. What a mission today, man. Everyone said the dash would take 5 minutes. Probably if you've done it before. If you haven't done it before, it is a nightmare. Good old roof lining. There's some like little hooks under the back here that hold this on. You just got a bing, 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 and then they sort of, ready? They sort of come out like that. There's a screw over there too, another one there. And then, yeah, all this roof liner stuff will come out because I'm going to put new stuff up when the car's cleaned up and fixed up. Pedal box is out. Wiring harness is coming back through. Yep, I'm pulling it. Yep, there we go. So the wiring's coming through. Yep.
There you go.
Wow, whole wiring harness for the whole VL. Man, oh man, it's out. Done. So under here is the build, but I just went to pull the carpet up, right, and it's come off of the underlay. The build for me car. It's got all the details on the car. Wonder how we get that off the underlay. Oh no. I'll try and save it. Oh, it's really, I don't know if it's salvageable. Maybe. That'd be cool to have. We can save some of it. Really cool part of the car to have. Feel like an archaeologist. Being super careful. So I've peeled this. So I've peeled this back. I've saved a bit over here. Now I've got this bit here. I'm just trying to get this up without. Oh, so brittle. I don't know if it's going to come. It's so brittle. I really wanted this thing because they're really cool.